Hello there and welcome to our show Off the Menu. In this show, we talk about and show you how to make some of the authentic dishes of every destination of India. And the reason why we call it Off the Menu is because you will not find these dishes easily on the menus of the restaurant. So, today we are going to show you how to make Bharilleh Paplet. And in English, we call it
the green Masala Stuffed Pomfret.
the green Masala Stuffed Pomfret.
We have the Bharilleh Paplet, which is basically a green stuffed pomfret, which is a Saraswat dish again. I would say it rather comes from the Maharashtrian belt of Ratnagiri and flows towards the end coast of Karnataka. So the difference into this particular dish, why is not regularly popular into the waiteries as of now, is because of the Resha Paplet, which is more famous in Goan cuisine than actually the green masala ones. The second best part of this dish is all the ingredients are easily available throughout India. So that would be an easier part for everyone to try it out at home.
This episode is sponsored by BarBoss, a party premix. Making cocktails has never been this easy.
It is a very, very simple dish to make. So we need a nice fresh pomfret for it, of course, the basic ingredient, the one to start with. So we need a nice fresh pomfret for it. What we have done with the pomfret is given it a slit. Once we have the paste ready, just take in your pomfret, roll it onto your hand, palms, and then apply it generously into the slits pockets. This basically marinates the most important fleshy part of the pomfret well. And chutney gives it the feeling so that when you have this with the marination, that is where the flavor actually extracts. So once the pomfret is ready, marinated, rest it out for at least 5 minutes. We need fresh, nice coriander, some mint leaves, grated fresh coconut, fresh green chilies, lemon juice, some chopped onions and sliced onion as well, which I will need, a little bit of garlic and ginger. Here you go, our Bharilleh Paplet or the green masala stuffed pomfret is ready to be eaten. Well, I can't wait. See you there. Thank you.
Hello and a very warm welcome to today's presentation. Today we are going to make a Watermelon Basil Martini using the BarBoss party premix. Now in this mix we have extracts of fresh watermelon, homemade basil syrup and the tanginess from fresh lime. About 3 or 4 cubes of ice. Give a gentle shake. Now this bottle of 200 ml contains 4 measures. That means a small bottle like this can give you 4 drinks. So 1/4 of the content of this bottle, a large measure of any good vodka, and you're ready to shake a drink. You may strain it into a martini glass. If you don't have one handy, that's fine. Any glass at home. Fresh basil. And there you go. You have your watermelon basil martini with all the freshness of watermelon, basil, and refreshing lime, using a very simple and very easy solution that's BarBoss. This drink, full of flavors of watermelon, citrus, and spice hints of the basil, can be a perfect match with this Bharilleh Pomfret, which is a fresh pomfret stuffed with green masala. Go on and indulge.